Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, don't forget to go back and watch it. We have come a long ways, guys. I mean a super long ways. And I'm so excited because the more we get into it, the faster I know that we're going to be living comfortable and we're going to be able to take a break because we have just been working super hard these a few weeks, and we just want to get this house together so we can just relax and just do our own thing. But anyways, guys, we started to put down the floor to the living room because, as you guys could see, we did have to move in, so we needed to get this done faster, and just the floor was the last thing that we needed to get it down, so we can start putting our stuff in place. Alright guys, so this is how the floor came out from coming out of the kitchen. I am just loving every single thing about this floor. I actually went ahead and mopped it because when we were working on it, we were just stepping all over it. We finally put it together and it just looks super great. It looks super amazing. I love how it's just so clean, so shiny. And it looks so beautiful, like just really dark gray, and that's what we're going for. I'm not too sure if it's going to be like a little bit dirty because I did have to sweep and mop 2 times to get all this dust out, but at the same time we have not finished the house. Right now we are still in process of fixing the front, which is right here, the entrance, and then right here just a little office that we are going to build, and also Lizzie's room. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on that. So far so good. We have been doing super well. Right now we have everything just thrown everywhere. We had to move in, we had to get new stuff to put the house together, and it's been going great, guys. I mean, I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.